Hello everyone. So just an update. We've got rid of all of the Raspberry Pi for this nice little timer unit. There's another video that's going to come through. I've got to do a load of editing, but another video that's going to come through. Literally, that is the nicest little piece of kit for doing something as simple as this. I'll put the link in the description below, usual stuff. But essentially we can go very simple, no messing, it does the trick. So I've got to kind of get this done a little bit quicker than I thought, because where I live it's relatively high up and we've got a thunderstorm coming in, and shed, metal, gizmos could be entertained. But anyway, down the hatch. And we're done. Stay tuned.